Welcome to our first day of the October challenge. Today we are painting lemons. We are using a very basic watercolor material and we are basically going to start with a light wash of yellow. This tutorial will let you know some shapes to use, as you can see now on the video. Obviously, the best is to always watch from nature or photographs and try to reproduce it and practice. What I always recommend is to pre-plan the highlights, so you will leave that area dry. Let's do a little close-up just so you can see what I'm doing better. We will build up our layers with more yellows, greens, and then you will see some amazing details more ahead. We are doing two slices of a lemon. This is just a fun, quick tutorial on how to do lemons, of course. This is not an attempt at a true realistic lemon, but I think this type of exercise really helps to keep up with our creativity. I'm adding a little bit of a darker yellow on the corners, around, really starting to make the shapes pop up. I always recommend on this type of challenge, if you are following along and subscribing and then you do yourself as you follow along, try different brushes, try different textures, try different brush strokes as well. Again, don't forget your highlights, keep them clear. Now we're going for the leaves. I left here on the video some shapes, some basic shapes you can use, but what I recommend is just have fun. Use, again, my recommendation, watch leaves, real leaves, take some ideas from it, and then just have fun. These are very basic. I'm using a light green and then a darker green. Almost doing like a heart shape for some. And now we're going to start finally with the pencil details. Now, I didn't let my painting dry completely. I'm a little bit impatient, but please do not be impatient. Everything needs to be dry, and then with a little pencil, just do some details, some scratches, some points, and it really will get the drawing to pop. I'm adding some more details to the leaves with the darker green now. As I said, always better to, after you have built your layers, always better to let them dry before you add these details, okay? I chose to add a little bit of green on the lemon as well, just to have some cohesion around the painting and to give extra depth. As I was saying, let it dry. You can always use your hair dryer if you don't have patience. It's okay. And now you can see the effect that it has, looking pretty, and we'll do some background. Now we are already autumn, fall, but I was still having this summer mood when I was doing this, and I love the stripes. It really brings like this summer decor. Be very careful with the tape, of course, to not destroy the painting. Let it dry properly, and then as you are removing the tape, be very, very careful. If the tape is not coming off well, you can go with a hair dryer again to make the glue stickier. Now here I'm just showing my peaches tutorial. I also have one if you want to check it out. And I hope you join me for the rest of the October challenge. Every day a new idea for you to paint and some tips. Like and subscribe. Thank you.